Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. I want to share with you my own experience in stock investing. I'm investing in stock market on the IQ option platform. All the links to get the platform you can find in the description panel of this video. And I want to share with you like small thoughts about that. Right now, as you can see, I bought Facebook stock for $1,000, and right now my current profit is almost $300. So that was pretty understandable that Facebook is growing, and I bought this stocks on this point, and just less than in a day I made 30%, and it's still growing. I didn't close the position, so right now it depends on the price of the Facebook, but I don't want to close this position because, as you can see, Facebook was on the heights near to that, and I believe it's gonna grow more. How you can join to investment in the stock? Find the links in the description panel of this video. Go by that links. Go to the platform, pass the registration on the platform, and after you'll get in, find this stocks list. 185 companies, 185 opportunities to make money online. And this is pretty interesting and pretty fun. I want to show you the Netflix. I bought Netflix also, and right now it also gave me like plus 5%. Just look to that list. Apple, Facebook, Boeing, Spotify. What's happening with the Spotify? Let's find out. Watch this. The company top is right here. Right here is the bottom. Right here is the top, and right now the company is moving a little bit lower. But if you don't know how to act and buy or sell the stocks, you should watch this tool. This is great and very interesting tool. This widget shows opinions of all the traders who are on the platform right now, and this shows how they acting right now. So a lot of people, 79 up to 80% of people, think that you should buy the stocks of Spotify. All right, let's do it. I have some money, I can invest in Spotify $1,000 and to buy. I love to trade on the long term, on the long period. I have my portfolio, and watch on this: 14, 10, 12, 6, 28. So couple of my investments are in the red zone, but in general it's in the green zone. And this is just amazing because you know what? You can make money within the day. All right, so if you have $10, go find the links in the description of this video, go to the platform and start investing. Just buy some stock for yourself. Buy some stock. If you don't know which company is great and which company you want to invest, just think about the companies that you know, and think the companies that are old. For example, like Microsoft. Let's see what's happening with the Microsoft. It was on the top, fell down a little bit, and now is upgoing trend. 83% of people think that Microsoft will grow. Let's buy some stocks. Okay, I bought it, and I'm leaving it alone, okay? I just bought the stocks and leaving it alone. I will check this out like in a couple days. And I believe that I will have my profit, because All right, the company can fall down, but it will grow anytime soon. And if you will not press the stop loss for 95%, it will grow and you will close the position when you'll get your profit. That's it. That's pretty simple. Let's see what brought me some. Okay, Tesla company. Let's see the Tesla company. Watch this. I bought some Tesla company stocks, and right now it's already plus 35%. It's plus 35%. But you see the level of the price, and the price was right here. So the price in couple days will be on the same stage or will grow more. So I won't do everything. I will not do nothing right now, because 34 or 35% is not the highest level, but I already made it $1,000. All right, and you should think about it like about the ownership of the company. If you want to buy Tesla company, you can buy a Tesla company. You buy in the stocks. This is like small parts of the company, so you become an owner of the Tesla company or Microsoft or Netflix or Facebook or plenty, just a lot of them. Look at that. PayPal, what's happening with the PayPal? There was fall and it's growing right now. 83% think that it will grow, and I do. So I want to buy some stocks of PayPal. Everybody knows these companies. Everybody know that these companies will grow and these companies will be on the market like forever maybe, but we're thinking about a week or a couple days or a year. If you holding stocks for a year, you will get your dividends. So company paying the dividends to those who holding the stocks for a long time. And that's why I like to hold the stocks. I don't like to like buy and sell and then buy. Like on the short market, you don't see the whole picture. For example, Apple will show their new iPhone sometime in the fall this year. That means that the company stock, the company price will grow and I can make money on it. Why not? Why not? And you can do the same. All you need to do is to get to the platform and to start investing. This is absolutely simple. If you think that investment is some kind of difficult thing, no, it's not. No, it's not. Just go to the description panel, find the links, go to the platform, pass the registration and start investing. And write down in comments on this video, did you invest in something and in what company did you invest it and how much money you made for a week, for example. I hope this video was very useful for you, so thank you that watched this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Go and try it by yourself. I'm sure that you're gonna like it. See you in the next videos. Bye.